Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Force 1 Scoot is probably one of the most exciting and innovative personal mobility devices to hit the market in years, offering a unique blend of drone-like aerial capabilities with the convenience of a scooter, making it a standout choice for tech enthusiasts and urban commuters alike who are looking for a futuristic and fun way to navigate their surroundings. This groundbreaking product promises to redefine personal transportation by integrating advanced flight technology into a compact and user-friendly design, ensuring an unparalleled experience for those who dare to explore beyond the ordinary. Number 5. Force 1 Scoot Hand-Operated Drone. Introducing the first and most loved hand-operated drone from the Scoot family. Simply toss it into the air and watch it light up with vibrant LEDs during every flight. This drone features smart motion sensors for obstacle avoidance. Use your hands to guide its flight, play catch, or catch it yourself when you're done. Its unique webbed shell design protects hands, walls, and furniture from the propellers. This also keeps the drone safe from damage as it flies indoors. This UFO drone is a fantastic beginner toy for ages 8 and up. It's perfect for kids and adults alike, offering a fun and educational experience. Enjoy up to 8 minutes of flight time on a 50-minute charge. This hand-operated drone is designed for thrilling fun for everyone. What we like. This is the original Scoot drone, designed for intuitive, hands-free flight. Its motion sensors allow you to guide it with just your hand, making it perfect for playing catch. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-use drone for indoor play that's safe for beginners and protects your walls, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Force 1 Scoot hand-operated drone is incredibly easy to control, making it perfect for beginners. Its compact and lightweight design allows for easy portability and indoor flying. The drone features a unique hand-operated control system that responds to gestures, offering a fun and interactive experience. Number 4. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone. Introducing the Holy Stone HS210, a mini drone designed for effortless fun. It's perfect for beginners and kids, offering features like auto-hovering and 3D flips for an exciting flying experience. This drone features adjustable speed modes, from low to high, catering to different skill levels. Multiple units can fly together thanks to its 2.4 GHz remote control technology. Enjoy up to 21 minutes of flight with the included 3 batteries. A low battery alarm ensures you won't be caught off guard, keeping the fun going longer. Safety is paramount with its propeller guards protecting users from spinning blades. An emergency stop function allows for immediate landing, ensuring a secure and worry-free operation. Its incredibly small and portable size makes it easy to take anywhere. This mini drone is the perfect gift for birthdays or holidays, bringing joy to kids and adults alike. To avoid interference when flying multiple drones, power on and pair each one with its remote control individually. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted flight for everyone. What we like. This mini drone offers a versatile flying experience with multiple speed modes, catering to beginners and experienced pilots alike. With 3 included batteries, you get extended flight time for more fun. If you want a drone that offers exciting maneuvers like 3D flips and can be flown with friends simultaneously without interference, this is the one for you. What people say. This drone has probably survived hundreds of crashes into walls and the floor, yet this little guy still takes off and keeps making my kids happy. It's very easy to control, even my 4-year-old son was able to fly it. The Holy Stone NIHS210 Mini Drone RC Nano Quadcopter is a nice little drone. Due to the drone's small size, my son, an avid drone pilot, is able to fly it throughout our home. He enjoys the 3 speed modes, although I think the fastest mode is a bit fast for indoor flying. Number 3. Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2026. Introducing the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2026, a revolutionary toy that brings the magic of flight right into your hands. Get ready for an out-of-this-world experience. With its advanced AI chip and gyroscope, this flying orb offers intelligent flight like never before. Experiment with different throws to create amazing boomerang effects and flight paths. Crafted from high-grade ABS material, it's lightweight yet incredibly durable, ready to withstand any adventure. The propellers are safely enclosed, ensuring worry-free fun for everyone. A quick 25-minute USB charge provides 8 to 10 minutes of exhilarating flight time. The LED indicator lets you know when it's time to power up for more fun. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor play, this hand-controlled drone requires no special space. Enjoy smooth flights and boomerang action in your backyard or living room. Looking for the perfect gift? This flying orb is a fantastic choice for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. It's a unique present that will bring joy to kids and adults alike. What we like. Experience a unique flight with this orb ball drone that features an AI chip for intelligent flight and a fun boomerang effect. Its lightweight yet durable design ensures it can withstand crashes. If you enjoy a drone that offers creative flight paths, can be controlled with simple hand gestures, and is perfect for outdoor or indoor fun, this is an excellent option. What people say. The casing is fairly soft and compressible, so I wasn't really worried about them in the house. It has a flexible cage that prevents damaging, but it can knock over a glass. Fingers can't get inside, so it's kid safe as well. It actually works. If you toss it in the air flat, it will go up and float down right back in your hands. If you tilt it forward about 20 degrees, you can toss or underhand it and it will float forward and come back. The LEDs are a huge plus because you can even play at night. Number 2. Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2026. Get ready for an out-of-this-world experience with the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2026. This isn't just a toy, it's a high-tech marvel designed for endless fun and skill development. Equipped with a smart AI chip and gyroscope, it offers intelligent flight with amazing boomerang effects. Watch as it responds to your every move, enhancing your hand-eye coordination and creativity. Crafted from lightweight yet durable ABS material, it's built to withstand bumps and tumbles. The propellers are safely enclosed, ensuring worry-free play for kids of all ages. A quick 25-minute USB charge provides 8 to 10 minutes of exhilarating flight. The LED indicator lets you know when it's time to power up for more adventure. Take the fun anywhere, indoors or outdoors. Its smooth flight pattern and boomerang action make it perfect for backyard play, family gatherings, or even as a cool conversation starter. Looking for a unique gift? This hand-controlled drone is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. It's a fantastic present for kids, teens, adults, and even the elderly. What we like. This version of the flying orb ball boasts a cool galactic fidget design and an intelligent AI chip for dynamic flight. It offers a captivating boomerang effect, making every throw an adventure. If you're seeking a visually engaging and interactive toy that combines advanced technology with simple hand control for endless entertainment, this is a great pick. What people say. The Force 1 Scoot hand-operated drone is incredibly easy to control, making it perfect for beginners. Its compact and lightweight design allows for great portability and indoor flying. The hand-operated feature adds a unique and fun dimension to flying, responding well to gestures. Number 1. Glorious Lighting RC Drone. Experience the thrill of flight with vibrant neon orange and blue LED lights. It brings a unique view when flying at night, offering a different kind of fun. This micro-drone is built with a one-piece construction and 4 sturdy propeller guards for safe flights. Its fall-resistant material makes it easy to carry, so you can enjoy flying anywhere. Perfect for beginners, it features 1-button takeoff land, 3 speed options, and headless mode for easy navigation. The altitude hold function keeps it hovering automatically. With 3 batteries included, enjoy up to 21 minutes of flight time. Don't worry about running out of power, as it will automatically land when the battery is low. When flying multiple units simultaneously, ensure each drone and remote control are paired separately. This prevents frequency confusion and guarantees a smooth experience for everyone. What we like. This drone stands out with its glorious LED lighting, perfect for exciting night flights and a unique visual experience. It's user-friendly with 1-button takeoff and landing, and comes with 3 batteries for extended playtime. If you desire a drone that's easy to operate, safe with full propeller protection, and offers a visually stunning flight, especially in low light conditions, this is a superb choice. What people say. The auto hover and headless mode features make this drone very easy to fly, even for kids with no prior experience. It's responsive and stable in the air. The full propeller guards offer peace of mind. They protect little fingers and help prevent damage to walls and furniture during indoor flights. The package comes with 3 rechargeable batteries, which extend playtime significantly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.